Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Bukela nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
This is by far the deadliest crash we've witnessed in the Eastern Cape in a long time.
Kushone abantu abayi-15 engozini ebandakanya itekisi kanye nemoto yohlobo lwe-van emgwaqweni wa-R63 e-Eastern Cape.
He was a jolly guy. Lokho enquma ngokumnandi nje nama video yakho ngabona ukuthi umuntu othanda ukuba namakhazini akhe.
Imindeni yamaphoyisa amathathu ilande izidumbu emakhazini asePitoli yasinikela endaweni yesigameko emfuleni iHenops ukuyolanda abathandiweyo bayo.
The withdrawal of the South African National Defence Force from the Eastern DRC marks a very important new chapter.
Lusesithebeni udaba lokubuyiswa kwamalungu ombutho wezokuvikela we-SADC ayejutshelwe e-DRC ngenhloso yokuyozama ukuletha ukuthula. Ukuthula kube kuwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lesikhombisa ezingungqa phambili kanti futhi-ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 Mzansi for sure kanjalo-ke naku-SABC Lehigh. Igama lami nginguDaud Phungula. Bayi-15 abashonile kwathi abanye abahlanu bathola ukulimala kanzima ekhanda ngesikhathi kushayisana itekisi neveni emgaqweni R63 phakathi kwe-Adelaide nemaqoma e-Eastern Cape. Okhulumela umnyango wezokuthutha esifundazweni uNathi Bhinqose uthi kusolakala ukuthi itekisi ibisuka eQonce ilibangise eKapa kanti iveni yona isuka e-Adelaide ilibangisa kwamaqoma ngesikhathi kwenzeka lengozi. Abashayeli bezimoto bobabili bashonele endaweni yesigameko kanye nabagibeli abayi-12 kwathi omunye umgibeli washonela esibhedlela.
The deadliest crash we've witnessed in the Eastern Cape in a long time. Not even in December and during the recent Easter holidays did we see one crash that has claimed so many lives. And the MEC for Transport in the Eastern Cape, Mr. Xolile, says our thoughts and prayers are with those families that have lost their loved ones in a flash, and is calling for investigators to leave nothing to chance in their investigation of what the real cause of this crash may have been.
Imindeni yamaphoyisa amathathu ilande izidumbu emakhazini asePitoli yasinikela endaweni yesigameko emfuleni iHenops ukuyolanda abathandiweyo bayo.
Usizi belibhalwe ebusweni ngesikhathi imindeni izolanda izidumbu zabathandiweyo bayo emakhazeni. Ngemuva kwalokho imindeni beyisinikela endaweni yesigameko ukuyokwenza usiko olwenziwa umndeni ngamunye uma kwehle isigameko esifana nalesi. Umndeni kaConstable Linda umchaze njengomuntu obehlezi ejabule.
He was a jolly guy. Lokho enquma ngokumnandi nje nama video yakho ngabona ukuthi umuntu othanda ukuba namakhazini akhe kube mnandi konke la khona nje kumnandi kuhlala kuhlekwa.
Kusenjalo iziphathimandla sisacubungula leli cala elihlonzwe njengelokubulala ngokungenhloso.
We have got no rules to stick to whatever charge when you investigate. Forensics, they're going to go through the car, look thoroughly on the car, and the fact that I'm saying it looks like it capsized first. Remember, I'm not an expert, it's what I'm seeing. But they will be able to determine because they are engineers, they are qualified people.
Azohlonishwa ngemingcwabo esemthethweni yamaphoyisa kanti izobanjwa ngoLwesine nangolwesihlanu nangomgqibelo ngesonto elizayo.
It's in terms of South African Police Services protocols that they'll have their colleagues in uniform, the salutations, the handing over of a South African flag. As we all know that as South African Police Services, they are serving the country. So those are the protocols of this official funeral in terms of it's a subs protocol.
Inkonzo yesikhumbuzo ibanjwe ngoLwesibili eBloemfontein.
I-ANC yesifundazweni eGauteng ithi iphuma emhlanganweni wayo wezinsuku ezimbili ibumbene inomdlandla futhi inesu lokhu kuzemva ukuthi yehlelwe izinga lokwesekwa ngamaphesenti ayi-15 okhethweni obelingonyaka oyedlule.
Yize lo mhlangano sewuphelile, kepha usemningi umsebenzi osasaleli ANC esifundazweni iGauteng. Leli qembu lithi liphume kulo mhlangano lino kuyithemba.
We come out here ready. We come out here united. We come out here with one plan. We come out here solid in our approach to defend and strengthen the African National Congress.
Leli qembu libophezele ekutheni liyayixazulula inkinga yokungahlinzekwa kwedingunqangi.
To the people of Gauteng, we want to recommit to you and make it quite clear that today we have resolved to attend to these 13+1 problems. To remind you, the following problems are water, cable theft.
Kubhekisiswe nokuthi iqembu esifundazweni limi kanjani njengoba kuzoba ukhetho lohulumeni basekhaya njengonyaka ozayo.
The spirit has been so cordial. There has been no divisions demonstrated both at plenary as well as in commissions. We have had veterans participating. We've had young people raising their very strong voices about the things we must do in Gauteng.
Ubuholi buthi uhlaka lweqembu esifundazweni lubambisene ngeselodwa nokho kulenza lube impumelelo isu kuzoba izivivinyo.
Lusesithebeni udaba lokubuyiswa kwamalungu ombutho wezokuvikela weSADC ayijutshwe eDRC ngenhloso yokuyozama ukuletha ukuthula. Ungqongqoshe wezokuvikelwa eNji Motshekga kanye nozakwabo bombutho wezokuvikela namhlanje babambe isithangami nabezindaba ukuchaza kabanzi ngenqubekela phambili yokubuyiswa kwamasosha.
South African National Defence Force from the Eastern DRC marks a very important new chapter in our regional peacekeeping efforts.
Uhulumeni wakuleli uthi basebenza ngokuzikhandla ukuze kubuye amalungu ombutho wezokuvikela abe ingxenye yokuletha ukuthula eDRC.
Withdrawal is not a sign of weakness. Withdrawal is a persuasion of the political effort to see that there is peace and stability in the Eastern DRC, and therefore we are withdrawing with that pride to say there is an element of peace because M23 committed to the cessation of hostilities. DRC had to sign also an undertaking with M23.
Umbutho wezokuvikela uthi uzobambisana namanye amazwe ukuze lolu hlelo luthele izithelo.
In the statement I did indicate that the current space we find ourselves has been the efforts of AU. So AU came in, it's the efforts also of East African Community and SADC. But also if you look at that panel that is now negotiating peace, it's really a broader panel. It's not SADC only, it's not East African Community only, but it's different countries also which contributed towards the peace negotiating team.
Muva nje ongqongqoshe bezangaphandle base-DRC nase-Rwanda bazibophezele uqhamuka nesivumelwano sokuletha ukuthula futhi bayeke ukuhlinzeka ngosizo lwezempi emaqenjini ahlomile.
Bukeleke sisathi qhu ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizokuphathela uWT.
The charges against the accused was simply a follow-through of the threat the investigators had made against her that she would be charged if she did not cooperate with them.
Sizoqala kusasa isigcawu esizocubungula ukuthi uMoradi Cholo ukulungele yini ukuqolisa icala elimayelana nenkontileka yokususa uphahla lwetsheboya. Ukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibheka ukuthi kushona abantu abayi-15 engozini ebandakanya itekisi kanye nemoto yohlobo lweveni emgaqweni uR63 e-Eastern Cape. Bukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Sizoqala kusasa isigcawu esizocubungula ukuthi uMoradi Cholo ukulungele yini ukuqolisa icala elimayelana nenkontileka yokususa uphahla lwetsheboya eFree State.
Kamile ukuthethwa kwecala odabeni olumayelana nenkontileka yokususa uphahla lwetsheboya nokuyinkontileka ke yegide ngamakhulu 255 zamarandi njengoba kuqala isicelo sokucubungula ukulungela kokuqulwa kwecala. Indlela abuyiswa ngayo eMelika uTsholota iyona ezobidingidwa njengoba umbuso kufanele ubonise ukuthi kwakusemthethweni ukubuyiswa kwakhe.
The charges against the accused was simply a follow-through of the threat the investigators had made against her that she would be charged if she did not cooperate with them. The state does not deny the threats or that they were made. They simply allege the threats were fair warning.
Umbuso utshela inkantolo ukuthi uzokuveza ukuthi uTsholota akathembekile. Waphindwa balula ukuthi ayikho into engakhomba ukuthi ukubuyiswa kwakhe eMelika kwangekho emthethweni.
Say in my head, tortured, intimidated, to do what? With all respect, she said nothing worth anything.
Kuzobizwa ofakazi njengoba bameli nombuso bezobe bephikisana mayelana nendlela abuyiswa ngayo uTsholota eMelika ngoNcwaba nyakenye.
We will be expecting for the first witness to come and to tell what exactly they are disputing.
Lesi sicelo sokucubungula ukuthi uTsholota ukulungele yini ukuquliswa icala sizoqala kusasa.
Inkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape ehlele eSaldanha Bay ikhiphe isinqumo ngongangabazi ecaleni labasolwa abathathu abathole benecala enyamalaleni kwentombazanyana uJocelyn Smith. Umbuso uthi awungabazi ukuthi labasolwa bobathathu bakuhlela ukudayiswa kwentombazanyana yize bona bakuphika lokhu.
Wenze ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi uKelly Smith kanye nababili asolwa nabo balahlwe yicala lokuthumba kanye nokushushumbisa intombazanyana uJocelyn Smith. Amalungu omphakathi kanye nezinhlangano ezahlukene ezikhombise ukuthokoza emva kokuba inkantolo imemezelele isinqumo esibathole benecala. Kunconywe amaphoyisa amalungana nemizamo yawo ekuphenyeni kwecala.
It is a team effort between the prosecution and the investigation team, led by Brigadier Annan and Captain Lombard. The only problem that we still have is that Jocelyn is not nowhere to be found.
Lesigameko sokunyamalala kwalentombazanyana sashiya umphakathi ushaqekile futhi unemibuzo eminingi njengoba phakathi kwabasolwa kukhona nonina kaJocelyn Smith. Amalungu omphakathi awazange aphele amandla abelokhu etheleke njalo enkantolo ukuzolalela uqhubeka kwecala kanti athi azoqhubeka kuze kube kuphothulwa isigwebo.
Still keep on praying for our little Jocelyn because we don't know where she is.
Ijaji uNathan Erasmus akazange acacise malungana noLombard nowayengumsolwa wesine kodwa ukuhamba kwesikhathi waphenduka ufakazi wombuso.
On the evidence before me, Jocelyn was exchanged. The fact is that her freedom of movement and liberty was inhibited.
Kuze kube imanje uJocelyn Smith akakaza atholakale futhi akukatholakala ngisho umnyombo kunyamalala kwakhe. Ogogo bakhe bakholelwa ukuthi uSmith uyalazi iqiniso.
Nobody knows if she's still alive, if Jocelyn is still alive. So I am angry.
Kusazobhungwa amalungana nokuthi sizomenyezelwa kuphi isigwebo.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli uKenny Morolong uthi bazama ngawo wonke amandla ukuthi kutholakala intatheli eyanyamalala ngoNhlolanja uSibusiso Ndlovu. uNdlovu wanyamalala kanye nowakwakhe kanti umbuso uthi uphenyo lwamaphoyisa lunayo inqubekela phambili.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli uKenny Morolong wahambele umndeni wentatheli esekuphele izinyanga ezimbili yanyamalala nonkosikazi wayo uSibusiso Ndlovu kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga. uNdlovu wagcina ukubonakala mhla ziyi-18 Nhlolanja wakulonyaka. Iphini likaNgqongqoshe ehhovisi likaMengameli belihambele lo mndeni lithi ngeke bakwazi ukudalula okuningi ngezingxoxo zabo namaphoyisa ukuze bevikele uphenyo.
Investigators are at an advanced stage. We hope for a breakthrough soon. But we also wish to indicate that we would not want to delve into our discussions with the police, especially because they may compromise ongoing investigations.
Uthi lokhu okwenzekile akulungile njengoba izintatheli zinelungelo lokusebenza futhi nelokuvikeleka.
Media, and particularly media practitioners, must be protected. Gone are the days where journalists were censored, attacked, and when 1994 breakthrough was realized, we undertook that never again shall journalists be harassed.
Imndeni ithi isakhungathekile kakhulu futhi ifisa amaphoyisa asheshise uphenyo.
Akusimnanzi emndenini mangala kakhulu ukuthi abantwana bami kanti bakuphi namagodi labahambe baya khona ngibazi ukuthi balala badlile noma balala bangadlanga noma bambathile noma bakambathi mina ngilala endlini bona ngibazi ukuthi balala esigangeni kumbe balala kuphi angazi kunemvula angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Uphenyo luyaqhubeka.
Izakhamuzi zaseThobotshane eButterworth eEastern Cape zibone kungcono ukuthi zisibophezele kulungiseni imigwaqo yazo njengoba zithi sekuyisikhathi eside zilindele usizo.
Umzi nomzi ubunikela ngento onayo yokuncedisa ekulungiseni lendlela. Kutyholwa ngelithi indlela ayisebenziseki xa kuthe kwanetha. Abahlali bathi umasipala uyayazi lengxaki kodwa akabahoyi.
Le ndlela ibikhe yenziwa ngo-2018. Kwangeli xesha yenziwayo le ndlela sakhalaza sathi nokubana asizizo ii-engineers ayondlela yokwenza indlela le. I-flat le ndlela.
Sicela umzi ngamnye siyakwazi egroupini sinegroup yelali. Sicela emzini umuntu onento nayo makaside. Kama nangona ifika le bhaki uthatha phaya ezantsi kweminye imizi ezidena lapha endleleni. Akho ndawo caba sikha kuyo.
Abahlali bathi le ngxaki ayichaphazeli inqwelo kuphela kodwa ichaphazela nabantu abadinga uhoyo olukhawulezileyo lwezempilo.
Okokuqala abantu bayabhubha babhubhela apha emakhaya ngenxa yale ndlela. Kuba imoto noba suke edorophini zisibeka phaya phezulu sisiya ngapha ngapheshe kolacala.
Iinzame zokuba umasipala wasekuhlaleni umnquma uphawule khange zibe impumelelo. NjinguNomzwane Lemngoma kwindaba ze-SABC eCuwa.
Abashayeli bezimoto ezithutha abafundi eEastern Cape basabisa ngokumangalela uhulumeni kwesifundazwe ngongabakhokheli imali abakweletwa yona umnyango wezokuthutha wesifundazwe. Bathi kabakaze bakhokhelwe kusukela ngoMasingane. Labashayeli kabasabuthemba ubuholi bowengamele ezokuthutha uxolile nqatha ukuthi bungaxazulula izinkinga zabo.
Iqandelo lokuthutha abafundi ephondweni bathi bakroqukile kungabhatalwa kwabo. Batyhola isebe lezothutho ephondweni ngokurhuqa inyawo ekukhawuleleni inkxalabo zabo.
Kudala sihlala nedepartment. Into esimple evele yenziwe edepartmentini xa nifika niyobuza into bana into nebangela uba singabhatalwa xa sithuthile inyanga nenyanga. Ivele phana nifike nixelele into bana irani izawuba khona ngexesha elithile. Babe baphelele apho ababenayo into abazoyithetha. Asina date esiyaziyo yopeya uba sipeya ngantoni, siyakwazi usebenza inyanga zibe 3, siyakwazi usebenza inyanga zibe 2.
Ukanti isebe lona lithi lo uphethe lo mba.
Sifuna ukuzixelela isikole transport operators ukuba umdlane intsiba zokubahlawula zikhona. Nto nje besikhe saningxaki nobuxhakaxhaka bethu ngokodwa kwinyanga kaApril. Nto leyo ithe yadala ukungahambi kwenhlawulo. Kodwa ke ezo ngxaki sigqithile kuzo, imitshini yethu yasebenza futhi sibhizi ngokuzinhlawulo. Sifuna ukuhlaba ikhwelo ke kwabo bebephawulwe ukuba ii-invoices zabo zinengxaki ukuba bakhawuleze balungise ezo ngxaki khona ukuze sibe nokwenza inhlawulo ngokukhawuleza.
Kulindeleke babambe intlanganiso kunye namagqwetha abo kule veki singena kuyo. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba ze-SABC eMonti.
Bukele umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. mbukeli usale kahle.